Now check your understanding of lesson 3.2 by answering these questions. Pause the video and take your time to answer these questions. What's choice B? Sine of angle I divided by sine of angle R. We did this exercise in lab 10. Is a measure of the refractive index of glass. Is that a true statement? The angle of incidence I in air is greater than the angle of refraction in glass. There can be more than one correct relations here, so check which of these could be considered correct relations. Next question. What is this process called? Next question. You have the object distance, the image distance. Use them to find the focal length of the lens. Pause the video, take a minute to do this, and then choose your answer. Next question. Which of these cannot be explained by the particle theory of light? All right. If you want to review the answers, keep watching. What is the correct relations, or what relations given are the correct relations? You know that when light enters from a less denser medium to a denser medium, it bends towards the normal. When the refracted ray bends towards the normal, it makes the angle of refraction less than the angle of incidence. So angle of incidence I is greater than the angle of refraction R is a true statement. But remember, if light goes from glass into air, then the refracted ray will bend away from the normal. In that case, the angle of incidence in glass will be less than the angle of refraction in air. And you learned in lab 10 that the ratio sin I divided by sin R is the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Here we assume that the refractive index of air is 1. Now, again, what is the meaning of refractive index? It is a number that tells you by what factor is the speed of light reduced in the medium when it passes through a transparent medium. So both these statements are correct statements. Next question. When light is shown on a metal, electrons are released, and this process is called photoelectric effect. Next question. Well, you have the object distance, the image distance. Use them to calculate the focal length of the lens. You know the lens formula is 1 over u plus 1 over v equal to 1 over f. And when you solve that for f, you get this. F equal to u times v divided by u plus v. That will be 12 centimeter times 22 centimeter divided by 12 plus 22 centimeter. You see the unit there? The numerator centimeter times centimeter, and 1 centimeter will cancel. leaving us with the answer 7.8 centimeter. Now read this as lowercase f, the focal length, not the uppercase f. All right, next. So the answer is 7.8 centimeter. Next one. Which of the following cannot be explained by particle theory of light? Now you know that particles can be reflected, particles can undergo refraction, but particles cannot undergo polarization. Polarization is purely a wave phenomenon. So only the wave theory of light can explain polarization. All right.